Hello everybody, I am HitartH Shrivastava and I am studying in Bhopal Institute of Engineering and Information Technology, Bhopal. And I will be speaking on the topic Introduction to Threads in Java. Multi-threading refers to two or more tasks executing concurrently within a single program. A thread is an independent path of execution within a program. Many threads can run concurrently within a program. Every thread in Java is created and controlled by the java.lang.thread class. A Java program can have many threads, and these threads can run concurrently, either continuously or non-continuously. Multi-threading has several advantages over multiprocessing, such as threads are lightweight as compared to processes. Threads share the same address space and therefore can share both data and code. Third, context switching between threads is usually less expensive than between processes. Fourth, cost of thread intercommunication is relatively low than that of process intercommunication. Threads allow different tasks to be performed concurrently. Now I'll talk about thread creation. There are two ways to create thread in Java. First, implementation, the runnable interface, that is by java.lang.runnable. The second is by extending the thread class, that is by java.lang.thread. Now I'll explain you about the life cycle of a thread. A thread goes through various stages in its life. For example, a thread is born, started, runs and then dies. Stages of the life cycle are explained below. Here. New. A new thread begins in its life cycle in a new state. It remains in this state until the program starts the thread. It is also referred to as born thread. Runnable. After a newly born thread is started, the thread becomes runnable. A thread in this state is considered to be executing its task. Waiting. Sometimes a thread transitions to the waiting state while the thread waits for another thread to perform a task. A thread transitions back to the runnable state only when another thread signals the waiting thread to continue executing. Timed waiting. A runnable thread can enter the time waiting state for a specific interval of time. A thread in this state transitions back to the runnable state when that time interval expires and when the event is waiting for occurs. Terminated. A runnable thread enters the terminated state when it completes its task or otherwise terminates. I'll explain you more about this life cycle in a video. I hope you understood the life cycle of the thread. This was the introduction of thread. Thank you and have a nice day.